Hey everyone, check this out. I am Franz from MostlyTechRelated, and today we are here at the 2026 DC Auto Show, bringing you the newest cars, EVs, and tech shaping the futures of driving. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so as always, every single year, the DC Auto Show has two levels, the upper level and the lower level. And right now, we are at the upper level. And the very first booth you've seen at the upper level when you get in is the Toyota booth. So let's take a look to see what we have here so far. The Toyota booth is usually the biggest booth at the DC Auto Show almost every single year. This is the 2026 RAV4 that's coming in later this year. It's not available yet, but let me give you a look of how it looks like. And let me know what you think down below in the comment section about the video, about the design of the vehicle, the style of this vehicle. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4 that's coming in later this year and this summer. This is the side view of it. So the doors are locked. I will not be able to show the interior very well, but let's see if we can take a look. Let's take a look at the back of the vehicle right now. So this is it. This is the back of the vehicle of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. So this one right there, this is the Highlander. No problem. So this is the Highlander right here, the Grand Highlander. Let's take a look at the interior. So like I said, this is the Grand Highlander right here. This is a little bit longer than the regular one. Okay. Again, so this is the Toyota booth. So this is the 2026 Toyota GR86. This is the side profile of the vehicle. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section so far about this vehicle. Let's take a look at the interior. And of course, this is the stick shift. Let's take a look at the back of the vehicle. Again, this is the 2026 Toyota GR86. We're still at the Toyota's booth right here. We're still at the Toyota booth. This is the 2026 Toyota GR Corolla. Let's take a look at the interior. The seats look really comfortable. Look at the rim. Let's take a look at the back. This is the back of the vehicle. You have 3 exhausts on the back. And you do have a decent trunk. All right, again, this is the 2026 Toyota Corolla GR. So obviously this is like the Toyota GR Supra right here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Again, we are here at the 2026 DC Auto Show. This is the upper level. The very first booth is the Toyota booth. And this one right here is the GR Supra. So this is going to be all electric. So this is the busy time. And let me show you the back, because this one has a massive spoiler on the back. And let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about this spoiler right here, on the back. Massive spoiler. And again, this is a prototype, which I'm going to show the interior. The interior is not even done yet. But now you will be able to see the interior of the vehicle. All right. So this is how the interior looks like so far for now. Again, this is a prototype. This is what we have here. The busy time attack. This is the all-new Land Cruiser. All new redesign, everything. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about the design. Let's go take a look at the interior. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video so that more people can see it. I am here at the 2026 DC Auto Show. If you haven't get your tickets yet, go ahead, get your tickets and come to the show. This is the back seat. Let's take a look at the trunk right here. This is the space that we have on the trunk. All right. So as you see right here, this is the all-new 2026 CHR that's coming in. Hopefully later this year. But yeah, let me know what you think about the design. The door is locked. I will not be able to show you the interior. But let me show you the back of this vehicle, which is really nice. Again, Toyota brought the CHR back, and now we have all electric on the CHR. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. All right, so now we're done with the CHR. The next booth that we are going to look at is the Ford. While we're here, let's look at the Ford. And the very first one that we have here in front of us is the Expedition right here. This is the Ford Expedition. As you can see, the design of the lights, the front grille, everything about the Expedition. It's really nice. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Okay, so this is the Expedition Max, the Platinum Edition. Let's take a look at the interior. So this is how it looks like on the interior. We have a massive Sunroof right there. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe, like the video. So that more people can see it. Let's take a look at the back right now. No problem. This is how it looks like. Now let's look at this one right here. So basically we have the Bronco here. This is the big bend of the Bronco. So now we are the booth. We have the Ford booth right here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let's go take a look at the interior of the vehicle. This is the interior. All right, let's take a look at the back. This is what we have on the back of the Bronco. All right, all right, all right. Right here we have the Mustang 5.0 right here. Very massive engine on this one. Let's take a look, see what we have here. So this is a 2025 GT Coupe Premium. We have a massive screen right here. So you have a dual screens in the interior, but this is the automatic. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys want this one in stick shift? Let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, so this is the back of the vehicle. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So right now I'm doing a quick walk around of the 2026 DC Auto Show. If there's any specific vehicle guys you'd like to see, let me know. And right here is the Cobra. Right here, unfortunately, I will not be able to show the interior, but this is the Mustang Cobra right here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section of the design. All right. Let's move on, let's move on, let's move on. So we have the regular marquee right here. We have the regular Mustang marquee right here. Again, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I really like the color of this one. What do you guys think about the color? So right now we are at the Ford booth, and this is the GT. This is the Mustang Marquee, all electric. So this is the new Explorer, the new redesigned Explorer with the new trims, the trimmer trims right here. So this basically is supposed to be for off-road capability, as you can see on the rim, on this massive size of the tire. So yeah, this is the new Explorer with any new trims. Let's go take a look at the interior. This trim called the trimmer. This is how it looks like on the interior. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And now I'm going to show you the regular ones. Again, this is supposed to be for the off-road capability. And this is the regular one. This is the ST line of the Explorer. As you can see, the front grills, completely different design. We have the gloss black bumper down below. The interior is pretty much the same. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is Ford. Now let's go here. We have the Ford F-150 Lightning right here. Again, we are here at the 2026 DC Auto Show. We are at the Ford booth right here. Take a look at the cars. We saw Toyota, now we're looking at Ford. And this is the Ford Lightning right here. This is the back. Let's take a look at the Ford Raptor before we move on. This is the back of the Raptor right here. Let's go on this side to see what we have here. I know the Raptor has a fan base, a lot of people like it. Let's take a look at the interior really quick. And let's take a look at the front. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Now let's move on across the street to see some Chevy. And the very first one that I'm going to show you on the Chevrolet side is the 2026 Corvette E-Ray. This is what we have here. For those who are in love with the Corvette, this is the Corvette E-Ray right here. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think. The vehicle is locked. I will not be able to open the doors. But yeah, let's see the back. This is how the back looks like. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And while we're here, let's take a look at the Silverado EV RST. This is the Silverado EV RST. Let's take a look at the interior really quick. It looks like it locks also. We won't be able to open it. But yeah. And this is the 2026 Silverado EV RST right here. Let's move on right here. So this vehicle right here needs no introduction. We all know which one is this. This was the R1X, I'm sorry.
That does close that.
Yeah, now if you're a Corvette fan, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm going to show another one right here, but this is the ZR1X. We're looking at right now, we have a massive spoiler in it. The back. So let's go take a look at this Z06 right here. This is the Z06 cover right here. Let's take a look at the back. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is the back of the vehicle. This is the side view. Right now we're at the Chevrolet booth. So this is the EV Equinox. This is the RS Equinox right here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. There are 3 trims to choose from. We have the LT1, LT2, and the RS. RS is the highest trims. This is the back of it. It's all-wheel drive. So I believe you get like up to 300 miles of range in this one, in one single range. For the all-wheel drive, you have less than 300 miles on it, I believe. Let's take a look to see if we have it here. But correct me down below in the comment section if I'm wrong. I believe that on the all-wheel drive, you have less than, actually there it is right here, 390 miles of range with front-wheel drive. Yeah, with the front-wheel drive, you have like, 310 miles of range. With the all-wheel drive, it's less than that. I believe it's like around like 270-ish, things like that with all-wheel drive. And this is another one right here. This is the interior. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. It's really nice. And when you get your vehicle, this one right here is the Blazer. Which ones you like the most? The Blazer or the Equinox? The Blazer obviously bigger. Let's take a look at the interior. Again, we are here at the 2026 DC Auto Show. Let's see the back of the vehicle. This is the all-new 2026 Blazer all-wheel drive RS. All electric. Again, I believe so on the range you do have less than 300 miles of range on this one. We are going to take a look at the Kia. So let's start with the Kia EV6 right here. That nice blue of the Kia EV6. This is a very nice blue. Unfortunately, it looks like it locks. I may not be able to see the interior of this vehicle. Yeah, it locks. We won't be able to see the interior very well, but I'm hoping you can see it through the glass. Let's go take a look at the back. Again, this is the 2026 EV6 GT line. And while we're here, let's take a look at the all brand new Telluride. This is the 2027 Telluride that's coming in. This one should be here any moment now. This is the 2027 Telluride. Let's go take a look at the front of this vehicle. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is it. This is the all new redesigned Telluride. All right. So let's go ahead. Like you see right here, 2027 Telluride X Pro SX Prestige all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at the interior. I like the door. This is how the interior looks like. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. One thing that I am not a fan of is all those gloss black. I am not a fan of gloss black, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is the back again. And right here, if you don't need gas or hybrid, because remember this one is coming to in hybrid for the first time, the Telluride will come in hybrid. If you don't need neither of this, you have the options to get the EV9 all electric right here. This is how it looks like. This is the all electric GT line. I'm sorry, EV9 I should say. This is the Land all-wheel drive, not the GT line. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So you can get your box right here from Kia. This is your wall box. If you get an EV9 or you get a GT line, you get EV6, you can get your home charging station, home charging at Kia. Also go to kia.com to get your home charging station. This is the back of the vehicle. I like the design of the lights. Let's take a look at the interior right now. We have dual 25, we have dual 12.3 inches touchscreen. So let's move on. So this is the all new Kia Sorento right here. But I'm sure lots of you wants if you feel like the Telluride is too big for you, you can get the Sorento right here. This is the Sorento 2026 Sorento X-Line SX Prestige 2.5 all-wheel drive. Sorry. And this is the all-new K4 hatchback that's coming to the United States. That's already here in the United States. Some dealership already have it. Some dealership, you can go ahead and buy this vehicle right here. This is the all-new 2026 K4 hatchback GT line turbo. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is the interior of the vehicle right here. Let's take a look at the back seat. And let's take a look at the back itself. Because the back, this is where the differential is between the hatchback and the standard one, which I'm going to show the standard one right now. Remember, this is the hatchback right here. Memorize the back. And now this is the sedan. As you can see, which I'm going to show the interior. There's not much difference on the interior. The difference is pretty much on the back. Again, this is the 2026 Kia K4. And this is the GT line. GT line turbo. This is the front of the vehicle. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section so far. On all these vehicles so far, which one's your favorite? Let's go across the street to take a look at the Hyundai, the cousin of Kia. And right here we have the all-new Palisade right here. In front of us we have the all-new Palisade. Let's go take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Let me know what you guys think so far down below in the comment section. As you can see, when you look at the interior of this vehicle, you do not see Kia here at all. They are completely different from each other, which is a great thing. This is the 2026 Palisade. Let's take a look at the back. And while we're here, let's take a look at the Ioniq 5. This is the Ioniq 5 we all know and love. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is how the interior looks like on the Ioniq 5. And if you feel like the Ioniq 5 is too boring for you, well, you can get the N-Line. This is the N-Line right here, the Ioniq 5 N-Line. And N. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So this is it right here. This is how the interior looks like. And the seats are different. And if you must boost, you push this one right here. This will give you even go crazier. You push the N also for more boost. This is the back. Let's take a look at the This is the Ioniq 5N. If you feel like the regular Ioniq is too boring for you, well, go ahead with this one right here. And while we're here, let's take a look at the 2026 Ioniq 9. If the Ioniq 5 is too small for you, you can get the big boy right here. This is the Ioniq 9. And this one right here is the all-wheel drive performance calligraphy. Let's take a look at the interior. What do you guys think so far? I like that green color right here on this vehicle. Now, when it comes to the back seat of this, on the back of the vehicle, I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me zoom in on this one so I can see the shape of the back. Let me know what you guys feel about the shape of the back. All right, so let's move on right here. And this right here is the hybrid of the Palisade. All right, this is the hybrid. You have the option either the gas or hybrid, or you can go all ionic 9 for the all electric. This is the Santa Fe Hybrid 2026 Santa Fe Hybrid SEL front-wheel drive. This is how the front of the Santa Fe looks like. Right now we are at the Hyundai booth. We just saw Kia. Unfortunately, Genesis is not here, so that to take a look at the Genesis, they're not here. So this is the trunk space. Let's see if we can close this so that you can see a look at the back. We all know the Santa Fe. This is how the back looks like. And while we're here, let's take a look at the Sonata right here. This is one of the sedans that I really like, me personally. I really like the Sonata. This is the back of the Sonata. This is the side view. All new 2026 Sonata N line. Let's take a look at the interior. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And if you guys need a fun small car to drive, well, go no further than the 2026 Elantra N right here. If you need boost, if you need something fun, Elantra N. I like at the bottom, the red accent at the bottom. Let me know what you think. This is right here.
There's more legacy is proof of our commitment for better technology, more excitement, and more ultra.
This is it. This is how it looks like. Let's take a look at the interior. So I've all 6-speed manual. But if you feel like this one's too much for you, you can go and get the regular one. This is it right here. This is the regular Elantra. If this one's too much for you. And this is the Elantra N and the red accent right here. Now let's move on to Honda and Acura. This is the 2026 Honda Accord. And this one right here is the Hybrid Sports. The all-new 2026 Honda Accord. This vehicle needs no introduction. We all know what it is. We all know Honda, how they do. Let's take a look at the interior. Let's take a look at the back. Again, this is the Hybrid Sports, Honda Accord. And while we're here, let's take a look at the prologue right here. This is the 2026 Honda Prologue all-wheel drive Elite. This is the interior. Again, we all know this vehicle shares the same platform as the Chevrolet Blazer right here. This is the interior, this is the front view. (2026) Honda Prelude right here. This is a vehicle that's come back to life.
Because when you expensive.
So let me know what you guys think. The door is locked. We won't be able to open the door. But yeah, this is it right here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is the hybrid two-tone Prelude. So the last time they built this vehicle was back 2001. Now they bring it back. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. This is hybrid, not electric, and not stick shift. This is automatic. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So this one here is the Acura Integra Apex. So some people call this vehicle a fancy Civic. What do you think? Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Do you think this is a fancy Civic? Let me know down below in the comment section. This is the design. This is how it looks like in front. All right. And this one here, this is the ADX. So we do know we have the MDX. The MDX is bigger than the ADX. This is the smaller one, all-wheel drive spec. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. We are here at the first level of the 2026 DC Auto Show. So far, we look at the Toyota, both Ford, Chevrolet, Kia, Hyundai. Now we are Honda and Acura. And now we are going to move at Buick and GM right here. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new 2026 Buick ST. This is the Vista Sport Touring. Let's take a look at the interior. So what do we have here? We have something funny, fancy here for you. Let's see what we have here. This is a Buick Wildcat. Let's see what we have here. 1985 Buick Wildcat. Hopefully you guys can see this very well. This is a 1985 Buick Wildcat concept. All right. So yeah, this is the end of the line of the front of the upper level. This is GM right here. Which one is this one right here? This is the Yukon XL all-wheel drive Delaney. Let's take a look at the inside. So what do you guys think about this one? Between this one and the Ford Expedition, which ones you like better? And the interior, which interior you like better? This is the side view of the Delaney. This is the top of the line. This is a full-size SUV right here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, this is the first floor. Now we're going down to the second floor to see what we have. Okay.